Look, you see not this tree right here, but in the back, the tallest one.
I got that one.
Yeah.
I was in it, but it came right out of it too.
Oh, I was stuck in the top.
And then I got lost because of all them high weeds.
Yeah.
It was in the weeds for
I
like
was stuck
10
in the
minutes.
very top, and I got 2 throwing knives that I tied string to, and then I chucked them up over the branch, and they came down.
Hey everybody, it's Glitch with another glitchisode. Anyway, I'm here over at a local park, pretty close to the house, and I'm fine here with Kicking Dirt, and I can still never remember your name.
It's Whip.
It's Whip.
It's
Kicking
Whip.
Dirt,
Kicking Dirt.
and Whip. So, been having a little bit of fun. We see this tree right here, that tree right there. Well, 2 of us, I'm the only one that ended up in the tree, but Whip over here got his first taste of some tree branches, and it tastes really good, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we've been treating it up over here, and Kicking Dirt brought his wing. He's got a little Strix Goblin, that guy right there. So that's actually my first time I actually seen anyone actually fly one in person. It was pretty cool. And yeah, that's it. You know, that's what we do. We fly and fly other things, and you know, pretty much anything RC, and we vape. See? It's just what we do. Stay tuned for some more flight footage. Thank you very much. Hey guys, it's me, and we're back on this hilarious version of the Glitchisode. This time, I've got some tree footage for you. His whip is now in the same damn branch I am. Check this out.
Look at that thing. Just look.